Have you ever wondered what magical force pushes your car forward? It's not magic, it's physics. Today, we're diving deep into the heart of an engine to uncover how simple fuel creates powerful motion. It's a fascinating journey from chemical energy to intense heat, and finally, to the mechanical work that gets you from point A to point B. Let's start with the fuel itself. Whether it's gasoline or diesel, this liquid is packed with chemical energy, stored in the bonds between its molecules. Think of it like a tightly coiled spring, just waiting to be released. This fuel sits in your tank, inert and calm, until it's called into action. When you turn the key, the process begins. A fuel pump sends a precise amount of fuel to the engine, but fuel alone can't do much. It needs a partner: oxygen from the air. Inside the engine's cylinders, the fuel is mixed with air, creating a highly flammable vapor. This mixture is the perfect recipe for a controlled explosion, which is exactly what we need. This is where things get hot. The engine has components called cylinders, and inside each one is a piston that can move up and down. As the piston moves up, it compresses the fuel-air mixture, squeezing it into a tiny space. This compression makes the mixture even more volatile. At the peak of this compression, a spark plug ignites the mixture. Bang! A tiny, powerful explosion occurs. This is combustion. In a split second, the chemical energy locked within the fuel is released as an incredible amount of heat. This heat causes the gases inside the cylinder to expand violently, like a miniature supernova. We've successfully converted chemical energy into heat energy. But how does this heat make the car move? This is where the transformation into mechanical work happens. The explosive expansion of hot gases creates immense pressure inside the cylinder. This pressure acts like a powerful hammer, slamming down on the top of the piston and forcing it downwards with incredible speed and force. This single, forceful push is the birth of motion. Now, one piston moving once isn't enough to power a car. That's why most engines have multiple cylinders, 4, 6, or even 8 tall, firing in a carefully timed sequence. Each piston is connected to a crankshaft via a connecting rod. As each piston is forced down, it turns the crankshaft. Imagine your legs pushing pedals on a bicycle. Each push contributes to turning the wheel. The crankshaft works the same way, converting the up and down motion of the pistons into rotational motion. This rotation is the final step. The spinning crankshaft transfers its power through the car's transmission and drive shaft, ultimately turning the wheels, and that's it. The car is in motion. This entire cycle happens thousands of times every minute you're driving. A constant, rapid-fire series of explosions turning fuel into forward momentum. So, the next time you're on the road, remember the incredible dance of physics happening under the hood. It's a beautiful, powerful process. Chemical energy and fuel becomes heat through combustion, and that heat creates pressure that drives pistons, generating the mechanical work that moves our world. It's a perfect example of energy transformation at its most practical. Thanks for joining me on this mechanical deep dive. If you enjoyed learning about the magic of engines, do not forget to hit that like button and subscribe for more content that explains how our world works. See you in the next video.